Damn. Yeah, there has been some good practice going on. It's mostly wet. Maybe we need to drive it in or some shit. Woo. Yeah, tricky. Ay. Damn, I need to adjust the items back there. Whew. Technically the goal today would be to try at least and get the full configuration in. Let's see how that goes, man. Let's start it easy. Damn, what the hell is back there going on, man? Shit. Go easy, man. Okay. The items in the back sorted. Let's see how it is now. The hell? Hey! Not bad. We did get some damage, I guess, maybe on the rear bumper, or maybe not. Where did we stop? Damn, man, we might be just here, almost. Maybe we did get that tire. See, it's not in the place. Whew. Okay, yeah, that's a little bit too much speed for us for now. Need to start a little slower than that. All right. Fuck me. We don't have enough angle, man. We are using maybe a little bit too much gas. We need only a little bit, as it turns out. Of course, with a stock suspension, I guess it's also a little bit harder than with something more stiff. Damn, this track, if you roll it, it's actually in a pretty high speed though. Yeah. Ay. Wow, that's something. That's already something. The issue was I was previously holding the gas down. Technically, yeah, you need to be smooth with the gas. But now I was just tapping it like bum bum bum. Like a rit-a-ta-too. let's do our usual, because yeah, we not start from the start, but we start from man, we are really getting somewhere, no shit. Yeah, these corners are long. Hey! Damn! We're learning quickly as hell. Shit. Okay, let's do one more and then take a little break. Yeah, the entry point is not yet for us, but we do the track the other way around. We start here. Yay. Man, the radiator is leaking and we started to overheat, man. I hope I have a little bit fluid to add, but damn, I just now want to move out of the way. You know, there shouldn't be anyone coming, but still. Where are you? Where are you? Drying me good? Alright. Whew. Damn. Hope it's all good here. Let's go slowly. That thing is boiling. How far is it? It is coming down. Alright, alright. Let's wait a little bit. Just to be sure we don't have much, yeah, just a little bit, man. Alright. Keep the revs low. Hopefully that will help us, you know, not to overheat. We do have I think couple of maybe 2 kilometers till the highway. Let's hope we good.